Diamond Quest?
Yes, because DJ Prissy pushed me on lava. It's a mistake. So, she's sorry to me, so you can forgive her as well.
Asan yung charger?
She's actually...
I don't know.
She is a mistake. So,
Mistake?
you can... it's a mistake. You can actually forgive her now because she's sorry to me as well.
Okay.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. But they already...
We love you.
We
Yes.
love you.
We love you, subscribers.
We love you like our children.
What the heck?
We love you like our family.
Yes, like that. Not our children.
Yeah, we don't have children. We're just kids yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm 12, turning 13.
Oh, good, yeah.
I'm 9 years old. I'm gonna be 10 years old.
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to be dalaga. I mean, so,
This is gonna be my babysitter.
Baby sister.
I'm going to be 10 now, and I'm almost 10.
Baliw.
In 3, and Asi is 1 for 10, right? 1, 2,
She's 7, she's turning 8.
and if I'm 8, I will go and get a bath by myself, not my... So,
Because this is a baby crier.
no, I don't.
Yes, you are, motherfucker.
No, I'm a nice girl.
Hey, no, it's cursing.
I'm a nice girl. I'm a nice girl.
Okay. There's an apple. Apple.
Give me
Kunin
the
mo,
apple.
para pag may ano tayo, may gold, pwede tayo gumawa ng golden apple.
Tapos,
Oo nga, itadi ko
then
na yung apple.
turn on the difficulty, right?
We're gonna keep...
We're gonna survive this battle witch as well. We're gonna
Because we need to find gold
Huwag
and
ka
turn
magawin,
it
hindi
to
gold, hindi magugutom
gold
tayo.
block.
yeah. And we need some food as well.
Yeah. The apple, we're gonna turn it to each other golden apple.
Yes, and we will survive this apocalypse. This apocalypse.
Zombie! Survive.
And skeletons and creepers and witches and
You see again.
light. You'll
Be so happy as long as you survive the night.
Hey there, what did you have to do?
That's the bitch you learn and do.
Okay then. Okay then.
Alam mo yun?
Okay then.
Ako naman sa'yo yun eh.
Kabisado mo?
Maybe.
Hindi.
Ay, iniwan niyo ako!
No, we didn't. We're just in the woods, right?
Akala ko iniwan mo.
Just planting some trees. I want some flowers. I'm just joking. I don't want to.
He doesn't like flowers because he's a tomboy.
No, I don't.
Ako.
I like. Inamin mo yun.
Yes, I'm lesbian.
Yes,
And
it's
I found
lesbian. And she got a crush on a girl.
Give me your phone.
Right?
No.
Right.
I'm actually boys, not a lesbian.
Yeah.
We don't know.
She's just joking.
Yes.
He just a crazy bitch.
Christine is the tomboy. She tried to kiss me.
Ew.
Ew.
The fuck?
Then I pulled her. She said, Ashton.
Hashtag motherfucker.
Hello? Hello?
DJ Prissy.
Where are you?
DJ Prissy.
8:30 na?
Hey.
8:31. Why are you Oh my God! Why is there Look at this, guys! Guys, where are you?
What?
Look at this. They're staring at me. Nakaganon ako, Asi. Tignan mo to. Nakaganon ako pag ganon ko. Oh my God! Patingin sila
Ay,
sa akin.
magpuputayin si ate.
Are you trying to kill me?
Catch tayo.
Hello?
You never find me, Ate Pam.
Ginawa mo?
You're not so scary if you see us.
Follow me, chickens. You are my Thunder Muffin.
Thunder Muffin.
Pangalan niya ng alaga ni ano.
Kasi nasan ka?
Rose.
Saan ka? Yun ka.
Hello?
Nagka-crouch. Come on. Come on, come on.
Fuck you.
This is my chicken. Thunder Muffin and Thunder muffin.
Okay. Wait. Give me your muffins.
Hey, don't get my thunder muffin! Fuck you.
Nasaan ka?
Ha?
Lili.
Bye.
Tumigil sa taas.
Oh, mamaya may pupunta ng multo. This is
Tayo
my
mo.
thunder muffin. I think my thunder muffin is that bad. I mean,
I will kill you with my sword.
I have my thunder muffin.
Don't you dare come back in me again. Oh my god, chickens!
Alam mo, may multo dito sa bahay nila, ano? Uy! Pata! Ano? Ano na iba po? Ano?
Umatay.
Anong umulot?
Fuck.
Kulot? Ano yun?
Oh no!
Our pig is in our house.
Okay, we're going to make part 2 again, so... Okay then. Bye. We're going to make... wait, not yet. Because we're not out of the world yet, right?
Dumbass.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this first video, part 1. We're going to make part 2 tomorrow, okay? Bye!
Uy, di kayo pumunta bukas eh.